welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Morning. If you're watching me for the second time, the third time, you are definitely the best. Anyway, in today's video, we are headed to Gikomba. I decided to go as early. It's actually 5:16 a.m. So I decided to go as early to the bags section since last time I was a bit disappointed. People had chosen all bags wakaacha zile sijui zinakaaje. So I want to see how soko inakaa when you go as early in the bag section. And also, you know me, I will have to pass by the shoe market, see what they got, but not necessarily kutafuta viatu leo. But nikipata kitu poa, I take. And also I need trousers and some skirts. So sijaienda kwa some dresses that I want. What are they called? The flower dresses. So guys, nikipata sawa, I'll plug you. If I don't, someone just give me directions and I'm yet to try. But as usual, mimi bado napotea. But let's see. Stay tuned. Tell a friend, subscribe, comment, ask anything.
I step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop.
This was a good day, guys, because the market was full of bags. So I'm so happy that I managed to get some bags that I needed. Still looking for some bags here and trying to bargain my ass out, but finally, ukikuja mapema unapata vitu poa, vitu kali, unapatana na wengine wakichukua mingi wanaenda kuuza. So it's fun. Come early, get quality stuff.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music
So guys, once we were done with the bags, we kept walking straight ahead just to see what else is sold after that. Tukajipata kwa ma t-shirts, kuna sweatshirts, and also I needed to kujua kwa bridge ni wapi haswa, since I hear hapo karibu kwa bridge kuna someone selling like the flower dresses, but still I didn't manage to get them. We still used another route tukapotea bado, but nasikia ziko. I'm yet to learn of all these directions, but Gikomba ni kutembea tu. Ukitembea utajipa, kama sasa saa hii tumejipata kwa ma t-shirts. Ukienda mbele utajipata tena kwa tracks. So ni kutembea tu juu finally tumejipata tena kwa ma flannel shirts. Yeah, na hizi ma jackets.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down.
Kwa mwezi unasumbuliwa wangu mara ngapi? Leo tu ndio ninakusumbua leo tu.
Hata naweza kuja
Uniweke hapa.
upime mara
Mwenye anapima mara chukui.
Hiyo ni kawaida. Sasa kama hujazoea utasahau.
So guys, this is still us walking around. We've decided to go to the shoe market side and see how it looks this late. It's around, I think sasa hapa ilikuwa maybe 9:30, 10, yeah. So we see what they have. Tuoneka tunaweza pata viatu hii time, and apparently this day hakukuwa na watu wengi sana kwa shoe market. So the shoes were still there, but we didn't go deep in the shoe section. But I got some shoes and yeah.
With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend.
Lovelies, once you're in this shoe market, there's a certain route on your right that heads to where some people are selling jeans, dungarees. It looks like it doesn't have so many people. I also fear this road, but if you're courageous enough, unaweza pitia hii barabara. It will take you straight to where we have the jeans, dungarees, skirt jeans, etc. So we decided to check it out, but
Another side of Gikomba. There's no way we can access this side.
In the silence of the night,
Na sasa
chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race.
same place.
Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
for those who had DM'd from National Bank, straight ahead, you can also get dresses and jumpsuits. Follow that route direct. Don't even branch anywhere. Direct on that route, you'll get the dresses, the jumpsuits. You'll even see some t-shirts kwa barabara. That's the way.
I really wanted to get the, what do we call it, the flower dresses, but nimepotea tena. I wanted to show you guys, nilikuwa nataka niende ninunue na nionyeshe pale ziko, but mimi nimepotea bado. But I think next time nitazipata and plug you guys. Yeah, nilipata bags, nilipata viatu. You know me guys, once I go to Gikomba I have to pass by the shoe market, but since nimeonyesha sana, I'm so sure sasa mmeshajua kwa viatu. Unless maybe mwenye ajui, I will still take you. I don't charge a lot. Do I even charge? I don't even know. Mimi nitawapeleka tu mjue. Anyone who wants to start a business ya viatu, uko ndio mimi najua sana 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 kuliko anywhere else. So I got some shoes. Zilikuwa 200 bob. Very nice shoes by the way. Very very nice shoes. Hizi zilikuwa 200 bob. Nice rubbers. Zimebaki tu kuoshwa. Sijui niliziangukiaje, and the way uko mtu anafaa kwenda mapema. But I do love them. 200 bob guys, 200 bob. Let me show you. See? The other thing I got was a bag. Though I needed a shoulder bag, or rather a tote bag, but nimekosa guys. Nimekosa, but still. It's still a nice one. I really love this bag actually. Hii bag imechajiwa 600 bob. Leo soko hawakuwa wanacheka. Hakuna kubagain. They were so like, sijui leo kwa nini ni wagumu hivyo guys, but at least for the first time I managed kufika kwa bags mapema. So confirmed guys, you have to go early to get them wakifungua bills. That is true. I've never gone there as early, but you go early, you get good stuff. This 600. And the other one, Happy has gone with it at work. It's more of a laptop bag. That one was 700. Alitoka tu nayo Gikomba kama ameenda nayo job. So you can tell how nice that bag is. Anyway, the other thing I bought were trousers. Very nice trousers. Plus for me, as for material trousers, I don't like how they cut the sides or they trim the sides. I just don't like. I love trimming it myself, so I managed to get some of the trousers which were not trimmed. at 200 bob, guys. At 200 bob. That is more of a khaki. This one is more of a khaki. I'll wait and show you how it looks. There's also this brown one. And guys, I didn't know it was this big. Lord. So here's another trouser. This is blue in color and I love it. The other one was this one. Black in color. I'll just wear for you guys. See? They haven't trimmed. Hawaja trim. I want to do it myself. So this was a plus. And the material, guys. The material is very, very, very nice. What else? Oh, and as usual, nimebaia kabebi to socks. Socks zinaenda shule wakienda shule zinapotea. We also bought very nice shirts. Najua mmeziona, the flannel shirts. We got a brown one. Hata kama zinauzwa kama gold. Man, these guys are selling things CG. And then I've realized if you buy t-shirts ama nguo in those shops zenye utapata nguo zimepangwa, they are a bit expensive as compared to pale unapata nguo zimemwagwa. Sijui kama unachajua pia kupangiwa, I don't know. But we've been looking for these shirts for quite some time, but tukaamua acha tununue hapo. They are costly but worth it. And I think maybe somewhere else kunauzwa, sijajua bado, but since we've been looking for them, tuliamua tuchukue. So as you can see, very nice. It has a certain cotton material, like, I can't explain, but it's a nice one. We also have this flannel shirt. God, I love this shirt to bits. Nimesikia mpaka zingine zinaitwa jacket, kitu kama hiyo. But I know when hubby wears this, it looks so nice. This one we're going for 800, but the power of bargaining. Tulitoka kama tumenunua hizi 600. Sijui kama kuna place ingine cheap. I have gone to Isli, nimepata zinauzwa 1500 new ones. But I mean, I know. Anyway, let me now try the trousers, see how they look, and then we close the vlog. Guys, oh my god, let me get closer. What do you think? Oh, your girl is happy. You don't even understand. Oh. I love this one, this trouser, and it is stretchy, by the way. 200. I mean, I have been buying these trousers at zingine 600, zingine at times 550. But I mean, I just realized 600 can even give you 4 trousers if you're buying a lot. So since I bought four of them, I bargained. Zilikuwa zinauzwa 250 na zingine 300, but sijui niliangukia tu. Let's try the other one. Just realized I don't have a brown trouser. What do you think? And this is the height. I don't know if you can see. Hey? Can you see? That's the height. And I am telling you. Let me come closer. Oh. What do you think? Naka aje? I have just realized. I have an interview soon to come. Sijui kama nikivaa hivi itakuwa maua sana. But what do you think, guys? I love this one for real. For a moment, I didn't like it because of ya maskio, as in easy mifuko zinafanya kani kama iko na maskio, but regardless, I love this one. What do you think, guys? 200? Huh? I think I'll start selling these trousers. I don't know. Mimi in business, tutapelekana hivi. But I love this one. I think it matches well with this top. What do you guys think? Try the other one. So, There is this one, guys. My favorite. My favorite. This is my favorite. What do you think, guys? Let me know this. For you guys just to see. And that's the hand. What do you think, guys? I keep running out of charge. Anyway, nilikuwa nasemaje, ukipata zenye haziko trimmed, people really love them. Many people will want to trim them themselves. So, yeah, guys. See you in my next one. Bye. Oh, hata ni guys, nilikuwa nimesahau before nifunge vlog. See how it look with this bag. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm? Oh. Oh my god. I know. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know. Anyway, bye guys. Bye ukweli.